Hi there, this is Phil Haynes. I'm here with Leisure Outlet. Because the summer's coming, school holidays, we thought one of the greatest products that we've got in stock and most useful are the range of Cadacs. Now I've got Jeff with me from Cadac, who's going to go through some of the features and some of the benefits and some of the things that you can do. It's not just a barbecue, there's so much more to Cadac, and what we're going to do is talk through a few things that you can do with Cadac that you probably didn't think you could beforehand. So Jeff, tell me about what we've got here.
Well, this is the Carry Chef 2, currently set up with the barbecue grid. And with the barbecue grid, it's not just about burgers and sausages, as you were saying earlier there, Phil.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. What we've been doing today is we're actually been cooking a spatchcock chicken on here. So basically we take the bird, split it in half, put it down on the grill. The other great thing, if you're doing breakfast in the morning, you can put your bacon and sausages on here, and also you can put on tapas dishes. So for me, I don't like fried eggs, so ultimately you can do a poached egg, some mushrooms, tomatoes, things like that, all on the barbecue grid.
Fantastic, fantastic. So as well as the barbecue, because obviously what you've got with the Cadac is traditionally you've got this grid with the barbecue. It's great for steaks and lamb chops, all the rest of it.
Yep.
I personally love to do roasted vegetables and mushrooms and that sort of thing. What else can you do on the Cadac?
Well, it's not just about barbecue grid, because obviously what we do is we're talking about modularity. So that's one of the key features of the barbecues that Cadac produce. So we've got barbecue grids, we've got chef pans, we've got paella pans, we've got pizza stones. There's a whole host of different surfaces that you can put down onto here, which allow you to grill, roast or bake with confidence, Phil.
Just go on to the pizza stores, because obviously school holidays coming. Pizza is every school kid's favourite. So we've got a pizza stone here. So just explain exactly what this is about.
Okay. So the great thing about doing pizza on the Cadac is it's so simple. It really is so simple. If you buy a pizza in the supermarket, the best thing to do with that, just pop that straight onto your pizza stone when your stone's cold. Take your lid, put your lid on, and there we are. You've now got a pizza oven. If you make your own dough, or if you buy your dough in the supermarket, again, just roll that out, make a nice thin pizza, get your stone up to a sort of a medium heat, put your pizza on there, 3 or 4 minutes later, perfect. And it's great with the kids, as you're saying there, because it's something that the whole family can get involved in, making the pizzas, making the toppings, putting them on together.
Toppings to suit each individual taste.
Yeah, absolutely. The one key thing about the toppings is if you're putting meat on there, make sure the meat's pre-cooked. Don't put raw meat on there because it won't cook.
Superb tip. So what we've got is at leisureoutlet.com, we've got the entire range of Cadac. Because the school holidays are coming, we're having exceptionally superb prices. For the best prices, check out the website, which is leisureoutlet.com. And again, we've got the entire range. We've got the Carry Chef, we've got the Safari Chef, we've got the accessories, so we've got the pizza stones as well, we've got the tapas set, paella pan. So whatever your needs are for a versatile piece of cooking equipment, there's nothing better than the Cadac.